So this is my big league lawn roller right here. It's how I kind of enhance my stripes and make them a lot brighter and more bold. This is the quick disconnect kit. I've got both these on the website. I'll link them up in the description below. Now you can see right here, I am going to modify this. I'm not real crazy about the length right here. So what I am going to do is take this and cut it probably somewhere right around in here. And then this way this will slide back, and then I can just drill me a couple of new holes in here. That way it lines up right here with the bolt holes on the mower. That way it'll tuck it in just a little bit tighter and it won't be hanging out the back quite as bad. So tomorrow, 90% chance of rain, and tonight my daughter's got her first ever prom, so I've got more important things to do than talk to you right now. I'll tell you more about the mower later. Check you later.